Hey everybody, it's Juanita and welcome back to Mrs. Webb's house and welcome to the second episode of my seasoning and sauce packet challenge. I am going to cook 65 meals made with seasoning and sauce packets from my local grocery store for my family. So this is episode 2. So if you'd like to see how this turns out, please keep watching. Okay guys, today we are going to make Sloppy Joe skillet sauce. Here it is right here. It says cooks in 15 minutes and it's made by the company Red Fork right there. That looks delicious, by the way. So we're going to use a pound of ground beef here. This is from Sam's. I love this. It's very convenient, individually wrapped, so I don't have to worry about separating it or anything. Then it says to add a can of tomato sauce, and there's the buttons there. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm breaking up this ground beef now in my frying pan, trying to get it nice and brown for my Sloppy Joes. I'm going to put just a dash of pepper, and a little bit of pink salt to just get things started. There we go. Let me turn this up just a little bit. This isn't getting hot fast enough for me, but we'll make it work. Now, one thing I want to say about this particular seasoning or this particular dinner, the packet up top, on the top of the packet, I had to cut it off like this, see? Because it did have rip tabs. It had like the rip tabs here, but when you pull them off, it didn't go down far enough to open the packet. Kind of weird. But just letting you know that you may have to cut the top of this off when you use it. Now this sauce is very different from a regular Sloppy Joe sauce. I'm trying to see if you can see in there. Look how thick and rich that is right there. Can you see it? Right there, yeah. Look how thick and rich that is. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It has like a smoked, well, it says smoked paprika on the front of it, but that smoky, herby seasoning flavor. Oh man, I can't wait to try this. I don't think that it'll be much like our typical Sloppy Joe, like that sweet Sloppy Joe that you're used to eating. Although we love those too. Those are great for cookouts and family get-togethers. Just a really quick meal. But it'll be interesting to have a different flavor of Sloppy Joe mix. So here we go. Getting everything browned up now. Don't you love that sound? guys, I've gotten the ground beef ground up. It's pretty toasty there. It has a little bit of fat in there, but like I said, my family really likes the silkiness of that, so I'm just gonna leave it in. Okay, so then it says to pour in, whoa, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Let me get the lid here, because that's going pretty fast. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and then we put in the sloppy Joe mix. Let's see. Oh wow, this is super thick, like very thick. Squeeze this all out. Let me turn this down a little so that I don't scorch anything. Trying to get all of this sauce out of the package. Okay, there we go. Wow. That smells really good. Oh, okay. All right. So you mix this all together. Oh my goodness. You can really smell the smoked paprika in this. This is definitely a grown-up version of Sloppy Joe's. Okay, wow. Smells amazing. Get the little bits out of there. Now once again, like I said, my family and I like the little bits of oil in the pan. You know, for us it gives it a little more silkiness, a little more flavor. But if you don't like that and you'd like to drain your meat, by all means, drain your meat. I mean, if it was something like what is it, like a 75-15, I would drain it because it would just be more oil in there. But this, I believe, is a 90-10 or 80-20, so it really doesn't have that much. I think it's a 90-10. It really doesn't have that much leftover fat in it to begin with. I love the way this sauce just deglazed the pan. Look at that. Look at, I mean, it just, wow, you know, this smells awesome. I can't wait to taste this. Okay, so we're going to turn this down. Spread this out a bit, turn this down, and let this simmer for 10 minutes. I put it on low. Be back in 10 minutes. Okay guys, we are back and here is my Sloppy Joe sandwich. As you can see, it's a very thick sauce here. It's not like drippy or loose or anything. I'm just going to have it with some barbecue chips that I had left over. And I'm going to put a slice of cheese on top of mine because this is pretty hot and I don't want to burn myself. Okay, so here's the test. Smashing it down. Doesn't look like anything's falling out. So, alright, here we go. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. It's a nice size. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's definitely sloppy. It's dropping stuff out. Oh, I was not expecting that. It is smoky and rich. Wow. This is definitely a grown-up twist on Sloppy Joe's for sure. This would be awesome as a slider. You know, with like some potato buns or something. That would be really delicious. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah. I'm trying to get it out of my mouth, but it's so good, it doesn't want to go down. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, this is definitely a 2 thumbs up. I would highly recommend this. It took 10 minutes, you know, well 15 browning the meat and stuff, but it's very, very good. All right guys, thanks for showing up and you have a good day. I'll see you for my next episode. Subscribe and like this video for me. Bye.